Affiliate marketing needs expertise, experience, and effort. It is not a quick or straightforward path to success, but it can create a substantial income when executed correctly. One of the essential affiliate marketing secrets is that more high-quality material makes you appear to be an authority on the subject. Once your audience recognizes the value you provide by answering their queries, they may return for more information. Affiliate marketing is a big business, and Facebook has become a big part of it. It's a terrific method to learn more about your customers, reach new people, and simultaneously sell your items. What's up? Facebook is the world's most popular social networking website. There are over 2.91 billion active users. You need to know the proper steps and strategies to get people to click on your affiliate site through Facebook. That's why we'll talk about how to be an affiliate on Facebook. Let's get started. Before you start, check your Facebook monetization eligibility. There are a few ways to make money from your posts on Facebook, but first you must be eligible. This means that your Facebook page and the content you post on it must meet the platform's eligibility requirements, which are split into 3 groups. Facebook's core rules, such as no graphic or unsafe content, can be found in its community standards. Partner monetization policies. These rules cover your Facebook page, the content you make, how you share it, and how you receive and send online payments. Content monetization policies. These are rules about the content that apply to everything you post. For example, you can't post anything violent or offensive. Go to the Facebook section of your Creator Studio and click on the Monetization tab to see if you are eligible. Choose which pages you want to know if you can make money from. You will also be shown other information about how the page can make money. Once you can make money from your Facebook content, you need to keep being able to do so if you want to keep making money. Review the platform's community standards regularly, keep your domain clean and full of good content, and make sure you have the right to post it. Suppose for some reason your page is no longer eligible. In that case, Facebook will let you know in the Monetization tab of your Creator Studio, along with the reason you are no longer eligible. If you want to generate money off of Facebook, how many views do you need? You need at least 1,000 followers in addition to one of the following to make money off your Facebook page through these partnerships. 15,000 people have engaged with a post within the past 60 days. 180,000 total minutes have been viewed throughout the past 60 days. 30,000 views of 1 minute for videos that are 3 minutes long throughout the past 60 days. How to earn $250 every other day on Facebook. Today, you'll learn how to find active Facebook users interested in products that earn you $250 per sale. The trick is, get a lot of targeted Facebook email addresses from people who are already crazy about your niche. With this list, you can invite people to like your Facebook page or target them with Facebook ads. Get up to 700,000 likes or shares per post and watch your fan base grow 4 times daily. How to use Facebook to make $250 per day. Step 1. Save the harvester to your computer. 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐼ls is a free way to get people's Facebook UIDs. With this software, you can scrape Facebook user IDs from pages, groups, and people who liked or commented on photos. Check out 𝐥𝐢𝐤 Pro if you want to pay for a faster solution that costs money. Step 2. Run the harvester. Search for many Facebook groups with Forex fans and scrape their IDs and Facebook email addresses. Find Facebook pages for Forex fans and click on a photo to get the IDs of everyone who commented on or liked the picture. Keep scraping IDs until you have a long list in a notepad file. Either of the 2 first-step systems will work. Step 3. Copy and paste the list of user IDs into the input box. In the suffix box, type @facebook.com. All of the user IDs will be changed into email addresses. Example, 𝐃𝐨𝐤𝐤@facebook.com. Step 4. Put the list together. Now you have a list of tens of thousands of Facebook emails that are all targeted. You can use this list to invite these people to your Facebook page or to target them with Facebook ads. You can make a custom audience out of this list. Step 5. Make a way to make money. There aren't many affiliate companies that will pay you $250 per lead, but I found this 8-year-old company does, especially for Forex, loans, and other financial instruments. Sign up at https://www.hopley.info/superearner.hamel for free. Here's another excellent resource you can use to promote digital software and wealth tools. The adult market is the way to go if you want to make up to $97 per sale as a commission. I make $300 a day just from this. Step 6. Make the Facebook ad and put it out there. Find your affiliate links at the above company. I recommend products related to money. These sell quickly. Make an ad that is 1,200 px by 627 px with Pixel or Photoshop. It should have a red border. Use a catchy call to action and upload it to the Facebook Ad Manager. The affiliate company links should be on the page where your ad leads people. For the targeting system, upload the list above to Facebook's custom audience section. Step 7. Make a regular post to your affiliate product and use Social Boom. Here's where the magic starts. You could download Social Boom, a free system that can help you get up to 700,000 likes and shares on a Facebook post and 4 times as many fans. It works so well that a regular post that isn't boosted can often do better than a paid Facebook ad. Step 8. Get ready to get a lot of money. Your ad will only be shown to the die-hard fans you chose. There can be as many as 10,000 impressions per day. The average rate of sales is 4%. Figure it out. Add up your money. How to promote affiliate offers on Facebook. You can't put affiliate links directly in your Facebook ads, so keep that in mind. Instead, you can only use Facebook advertising to reach more people or drive traffic to a blog post with affiliate links. If you're looking for a pattern, affiliate marketing is a terrific way to earn money on Facebook. These tips and tricks make Facebook an essential part of your marketing plan. Number 1. Use Facebook image ads to promote affiliate offers. Image advertisements perform better than banner ads on Facebook, so don't disregard them. As we all know, we live in a content-rich world, so that rich media will outperform text ads. People respond better to visuals than text and Facebook ads because images convey messages more quickly. This means users have less than 5 seconds to decide if they're interested in your ad, so you need all the aid you can get. Number 2. Use Facebook ads to get the word out about deals on other websites. Using Facebook ads with offers you promote on other sites, like ClickBank, is always a good idea. You want your affiliate offer to lead people to that site. You won't just have a banner on that site. Instead, you'll have Facebook ads that point to the affiliate link on the target site. Number 3. Use Facebook text ads to promote affiliate deals. Text ads also let you add a call to action button. You want to use this if you want your ad to go straight to the product page. Text ads on Facebook are not limited to 240 characters like image ads are. In general, though, they cost more than image ads. Number 4. Facebook video ads for affiliate offers. Video is popular because it's entertaining and instructive. It would help if you also used image and text ads on Facebook. You can put a call to action button on the offer page in the video. Facebook lets you modify video ad length but keep it short and crisp. Number 5. Promote Facebook affiliate offers using mobile ads. This is a good strategy. If 75% of your target audience uses Facebook on mobile, you should employ mobile advertisements. If you want people to respond to your offer, place a call to action button in the ad so they can act instantly. Facebook's image and video ad limits are 2 megabytes and 1 megabyte, respectively. Facebook displays this advertising on low-memory mobile devices. Number 6. How to set up Facebook ads for affiliate marketing and where to put them. Use Facebook Audience Insights to find out which users to target and where they are most likely to see your posts. This will help you get the most out of your ads. This is a significant step in Facebook affiliate marketing. Under each Facebook ad campaign, you can find information about who is seeing it. You can get paid and free traffic to your affiliate product by becoming an affiliate on Facebook, but you must follow the rules. If you join a group, don't try to sell too much or spam links. This could get you kicked out or blocked. But you'll be fine if you follow all of Facebook's and the FTC's rules about telling people about your business. You should also keep in mind that you should post at the same time every day. This will get people interested in your site if the content is good and gives something of value. Facebook is a fantastic method to earn more money as an affiliate, but for long-term success, you must focus on creating relationships and trust. Any top affiliate programs listed above have a wide range of categories. Once you've decided on an affiliate program, you can use all the tips and strategies we've discussed to grow your affiliate business. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.